how I make an extra $20,000 a week just from this referral system. We have over 170 clients in our agency, and every couple of weeks, I always reach out to clients who are getting great results, who have been patient, who have been a really good avatar for who I want in my ecosystem. And we go to them and we say, hey, listen, you've been with us for a couple of weeks. Do you have 5 friends that are business owners that are kind of in the same spot you were before you came on with us that would want our services today? And if you give us those 5 names and 2 of them close or 1 of them closes, then we'll give you X amount off your invoice. And then we say to them, hey, listen, we would love to communicate with them, but can you start a group chat so you can introduce us, so that is associated selling, so it helps our pitch better? And then they agree. And I literally have God knows how many group chats on my phone where I'm just closing deals day by day just from simple referrals, and someone saying, hey, listen, here's my friend Jason, he does my marketing. I really suggest you hop on board. I know you can afford this budget, blah, blah, blah. Let me know if you're interested. He's in this chat here. And that's kind of how we get introduced to new clientele along with paid advertising. So if you're running a business and you have X amount of clients, odds are you take those X amount of clients or customers, times them by 5, and that is literally how many potential clients you could have if you're giving clients a good quality service.